general hat. Is that what you're doing, Bacon?
I just see Eagle join.
Who left?
It's gonna be epical.
Oh no.
Who left?
I don't know.
Right.
What?
Seagull
I'm
still here.
Okay.
I don't know who left because it's just all the furry Nexus.
We can't join voice
I'm
chat.
banned in both of them.
You know what stirs
Yeah, I
me?
think
They
we're
have
fucked.
a bot that's like, "Welcome to the Furry Nexus. Before joining, we need to know a little about you.
Ooh.
What's your name?"
Alright, so everyone start looking for servers and start posting them in. We need this video to at least be
I'm already looking.
10 minutes. I clicked Fortnite, fuck. Oh my god.
No, Seagull!
We get killed.
On camera.
Woo!
We did it!
Alright, I think everyone, we need one more server than mine army.
Why didn't
You
I
ready?
get kicked?
We didn't get kicked, we all just left.
Yeah.
Alright, the mine army, we need one more server. And do you know what that server is?
Colin, I'm gonna
Fortnite.
join, say mine,
The
and then
Fortnite
leave.
server.
Just so people can join.
3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Mine.
Alright.
Now
we
wait.
Wait. We wait. Wait.
Mine.
Mine?
Mine.
Dude, that didn't take
Call me
me.
Carson server.
Oh, no.
All right, everyone.
Oh
You guys
no,
ready?
no.
Yes.
Let's go.
I was
Let's
already
go.
in his server.
All right, everyone. Every seagull we have. Ready?
Ready?
3.
Wait,
Two.
which one? Which one? Which one?
Call me Carson. Call me Carson.
I
Discord.
know, but
VC?
I know,
The
but
first-
which VC?
it's
Which
down.
VC?
Who's in the VC? Who's in the VC?
Lobby.
Let's go to lobby 2. Let's go to lobby 2. Lobby 2.
Lobby
Okay.
2. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Mine.
Acquire the toast.
Yo, did someone call for a nut?
Mine.
Somebody started playing the line.
Did you see how many people joined that chat as soon as we joined?
Bruh, I ended the footage off with, did someone just call a nut?
Good job, everyone. I'm proud of you, my fellow
Okay.
seagulls. Good job.
Stay respectful.
Now we can go back to normal.
Yep, back to
Most
normal.
of the time, I just couldn't stop laughing.
Everyone I just see everyone start joining as soon as
Hold
the
on.
raid started.
Let's all change back to normal at the same time.
Okay.
So I was like, mine's just a mixed bag. And I'm like, mine?
Alright,
what?
let's all change back at the same time.
My
Okay.
files
Ready?
are too powerful.
Send it through Dropbox.
Tell me when everybody's ready.
Right,
I'm not ready.
Ready
I'm
for
ready.
what? Ready for what?
We're gonna change back all at the same time.
Hold on, I'm not ready. I gotta get a picture real quick.
Yeah, I gotta get my profile picture.
Yeah, I gotta get my
I got
profile picture.
I got mine as well.
Wait,
Hold on, I need to get mine real quick. Fuck, I can't even find drawings of me anymore. Alright, I found one. Okay, we're good.
Wait.
I'm gonna look like a
Wait.
spoon. Alright,
Wait.
I'm ready.
Wait. I'm not ready. Shush.
You ready for football?
If you're ready, say I.
Aye.
I.
I.
3, 2,
Alright.
1, go. There's still people who are seagull.
Hang on. I was a little late.
I was really...
Good job, my fellow people.
I see mostly everyone I see mostly everyone is seagulls right now.
I'll text you guys when the next raid will be.
There we
It'll
go.
be next week.
Hold on, let's
But it'll be a different one instead of the mines.
Alright, we're back to normal now.
Hey everyone, The Real Hunter here, not that guy Brian. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and also check out Brady who helped edit this amazing video. Alright, be back!